let's make slime. I've got this beautiful cosmic glue from Elmer's. It's beautiful. Wow, look at that color. Okay, and I'm gonna mix that with some clear glue. Perfect, and let's do some contact lens solution. And let's mix it up a little bit before we go in with the shaving cream. Okay, it's starting. Is it getting there? I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, a little bit of gel shaving cream. Okay, that should be enough. And let's mix it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's getting kind of this ugly color. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, we are losing the glitter. Let's try to mix this thing. Okay, I think I need both hands here. I think something went wrong. My arms hurt. It's so stuck to this cutting board. Like, how do people not make a mess when they do this? I don't know why I thought it was going to be glittery and pink and purple and beautiful, but there's glitter all over my hands, so this thing is like a wild animal. Okay, we'll try again next time. Bye!